In this video, we listed the 7 best survival bug-out bag for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Large Survival Backpack. A large survival backpack is a versatile and indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and survivalists. Designed to accommodate a wide range of gear and supplies, this backpack is ideal for activities such as hiking, camping, and emergency preparedness. When paired with a survival gear professional kit and a first aid kit, it ensures you are well prepared for any adventure or unforeseen circumstances. Key features of a large camping backpack: ample storage capacity. Typically offers a spacious main compartment and multiple external pockets for organized storage. Accommodates camping essentials like tents, sleeping bags, cooking tools, and survival kits. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials such as waterproof nylon or polyester, ensuring resistance to rugged outdoor conditions. Reinforced stitching and durable zippers add to the longevity. Comfortable design. Padded shoulder straps and an adjustable waist belt distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during long treks. Ventilated back panels keep you cool and comfortable. Additional survival features. Includes attachment points for tools like trekking poles, flashlights, and knives. Many models feature hydration bladder compatibility for convenient water access. Product 2. Product name: Deluxe Survival Backpack. The Deluxe Survival Backpack is an all-in-one emergency preparedness solution designed for individuals or groups to survive in the critical 72-hour window following a disaster. Available in vibrant red or sleek black, the backpack serves as a go bag packed with essentials to support 2 or 4 people during emergencies such as natural disasters, power outages, or evacuation scenarios. Features: comprehensive survival kit. The backpack includes food and water supplies, meeting the needs of basic nutrition and hydration with products boasting long shelf lives. Emergency tools. Essential items like flashlights, multi-tools, and first aid kits provide support for safety and immediate response to injuries. Compact and durable design. The backpack is crafted for durability and portability, ensuring easy transportation in challenging conditions. Customizable contents. Tailored options for 2 or 4 people ensure no one is left unprepared. Versatility. The bag is ideal for home storage, car emergency kits, or camping, hiking, and travel needs. Product 3. Product name: Emergency Survival Kit Backpack. The Emergency Survival Kit Backpack is a versatile and essential gear designed to provide safety and preparedness in various situations. Whether used for camping, outdoor adventures, hiking, or as part of a get-home strategy, this backpack is equipped with crucial survival tools and supplies. Its thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize preparedness, from emergency situations to outdoor excursions. Key features: comprehensive survival supplies. Includes a first aid kit with essential medical items and a tourniquet, ensuring readiness for medical emergencies. Other survival essentials are tailored for outdoor use, such as fire starters, emergency blankets, and water purification tools. EDC Go Bag functionality. Designed as an everyday carry, EDC bag, it's compact yet spacious enough to house critical gear. Serves as an effective bug-out bag or get-home bag, ensuring users are prepared for unexpected situations. Durability and tactical design. Constructed with tactical military-grade materials, the backpack is rugged and reliable in extreme conditions. The MOL pouch system provides modularity, allowing for easy attachment of additional pouches and tools. Product 4. Product name: Sirius Pre-Packed Bug-Out Bag. The Sirius Pre-Packed Bug-Out Bag is a highly versatile and comprehensive survival kit designed to sustain 2 individuals for 72 hours in emergency situations. Featuring a premium 50L tactical backpack, this upgraded bug-out bag is ideal for those prioritizing preparedness and reliability. Packed with essential bug-out gear, it serves as an excellent go-to solution for various survival scenarios, including natural disasters, wilderness excursions, and emergency evacuations. Key highlights of the Sirius Bug-Out Bag include its durable construction, organized compartments for quick access, and a curated selection of survival tools, first aid supplies, and nourishment essentials. The backpack's ergonomic design and robust materials ensure comfort and durability, even in challenging environments. Its focus on utility and quality aligns well with interests in outdoor and emergency gear, making it a practical addition for anyone looking to enhance their readiness or survival preparedness. Product 5. Product name Bug-Out Bag. A bug-out bag is a premium survival backpack designed to provide essential supplies and tools needed during emergencies or unexpected evacuations. Often referred to as a go bag, these pre-packed survival kits are meticulously curated to ensure readiness for a range of scenarios, including natural disasters, power outages, or long-term outdoor survival. The Bug-Out Bag, premium bug-out backpack is marketed as an all-inclusive solution, combining durable construction with a comprehensive selection of survival essentials. It includes tools, food, water purification systems, first aid kits, and navigation equipment, making it ideal for emergencies, hiking, camping, or exploration. Its design emphasizes durability, compact organization, and ease of access, tailored for individuals or families looking for a reliable emergency preparedness solution. Product 6. Product name ReadyWise Emergency Survival Backpack. The ReadyWise Emergency Survival Backpack is a comprehensive bug-out bag designed to support individuals or small groups in disaster and emergency scenarios. Tailored for hurricane preparedness, outdoor camping, hunting trips, or general survivalist needs, this backpack offers a reliable solution for preppers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Key features: freeze-dried food supply. Equipped with a variety of freeze-dried meal options, the kit ensures sustenance during emergencies. The meals are lightweight, easy to prepare, and have a long shelf life, making them ideal for unpredictable situations. Emergency gear. The backpack includes essential survival tools such as a first aid kit, water purification supplies, and fire-starting materials, ensuring readiness for diverse conditions. Compact and portable design. Built for convenience, the backpack is lightweight and organized, allowing for easy transport and accessibility of items in urgent situations. Versatility. Suitable for hurricane evacuation, camping adventures, hunting expeditions, or as a general survival kit, it provides all-in-one functionality for a range of uses. Product 7. Product name Home Earthquake Emergency Survival Backpack. The Home Earthquake Emergency Survival Backpack is an essential disaster preparedness kit designed to provide vital resources during emergencies such as earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, wildfires, storms, and floods. This 72-hour bug-out bag ensures you and your family are equipped with the necessary tools, supplies, and first aid items to survive in the critical aftermath of a disaster. Key features: comprehensive first aid kit, includes essential medical supplies to address injuries and basic health concerns during emergencies. Emergency food and water, long-lasting, ready-to-eat meals and water pouches that meet survival standards. Multi-purpose tools, equipped with versatile tools like a flashlight, multi-tool, and whistle for signaling and navigation. Personal hygiene items, includes basic hygiene products to maintain cleanliness in challenging conditions.